Let's use that. And this, hey, we're gonna introduce Nirvana. Midnight Mike. Wait, no, I'm gonna introduce Nirvana. Okay, he's gonna introduce Nirvana. All right. This is Rocky Renee, and as you know, I was fixing my mic. Sorry. Anyway, these guys have been on my top 10 at least for a while. For a while, on my top 10. And this band's called Nirvana, and they're guys from this school, and they'll be playing. Are y'all playing the same song, guys? Yeah. All right. This is going to be called, they're going to be 2 songs. One's Pride, it's called Whoops, and Melt With You. So here you go, Nirvana, take it away!
I want to dedicate this song also to the troops in Saudi Arabia. And this song's called Pride in the Name of Love from U2. It goes something like this. Introduce the band. We're a first name basis band, of course. This on guitar is Steve, turning it up. We got, of course, everyone knows Mike right here. We got Jesse jamming on the drums over there. We got Rowdy Ronnie, the keyboard. And we got Daniel all the way from Long John Silver's right here. Well, in case y'all don't know me, my name's CJ. This next song, I'm pretty sure all of y'all know it, so you can sing along. You'll probably know the words better than I do. It's called Melt With You from Modern English. It goes like this. I saw the road crashing all around. knowing it was early. Make that face. I'll start to go that melts you. I'll start to love. See the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing new and I won't do. I'll start to love. I'll stop the world and love you. Dream of better lives, the kind which never age, wrapped in a state of imaginary grace. I made a pilgrimage to save this human race, never comprehending the ways that are gone by. I'll stop the world and melt you. I'll stop the world. You've seen the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing new and I don't do. I'll stop the world. I'll stop the world and love you.
Mike, yeah, in case you didn't know, we were the ones that brought you out here, you know, with those crazy morning announcements. It was his idea. It was his idea. Oh, thanks, Mike. Oh, Mike got something to say.
Light back here.
Oh. Hey, light back there. All right, Mike, tell him about Nirvana, tell him.
Oh, yeah, I was trying to explain yesterday, about this group Nirvana, okay? And, what do you call it? Did you like it? Oh, yes, I liked it. Okay, for all those girls who were screaming and stuff and were, you know, getting ready to throw their makeup in there and everything like that with your number on it and stuff, you don't have to do that. Because CJ's number's in the first wing in the restroom.
Yes, I was just
where the mirror used to be, because there's no mirrors in any of the restrooms. Okay, because they used to have CJ's number on it and they ripped it off. But
the stalls are gone too.
The bass player, his number's in the third wing.
Yes.
Okay, but the keyboard player, his number's in the detention room. I don't know if you want to go there.
I don't know.
I know.
But anyway, that's where you can find the numbers. All right?
Go ahead and introduce our next number.
All right, our next number, you know, as we know, we already had duets, songs sung, but now, you know, besides me and Mike dancing, we're going to have... I was picking my nose.
Come on, I found a brand new song. Just we need it. Okay, are you ready? All right. routine is almost ready. Almost ready. This is what happens when we don't have no more material.